Today we'll be showing you how to change font size, font type, uh, and the other things in the Excel. It is also very important because for the uh, cosmetic change of the database you need to do that. Let's do how you can do it. Let's come to the database here. Suppose it's data. Then you have to select this thing. Then go to right click, then format cells. You can do it this thing from here. Suppose you want to change the font of this size of the this data. Then select this one. Suppose 3 up to here you need to change the size. Go here. You can change the select the font size. This is called size of the font. Otherwise you can do by this way also. If you want to reduce, you can do the reduce this way. Okay. This is normally at 10. Size is 10. And the font type, like what is the style of the letter, you can also change. If you want to change the entire row, you can select here, then go here and select whatever you want to select. See there, you are changing this way, these fonts are getting changed. Now you can change you can make it bold, italics and underline. Bold with underline. This is underline, this is bold. If you want to apply all, then you have to select all. So then bold, italics and underline. You want to fill the cells with color, go here. Otherwise you can choose any color from here. Any color. You can opt here and fill. Okay. How you can change the color? This is a background color. If you want to change the color of the letter, then go there and click here. If you want to make it red, keep it red. Automatically it will change here. Then alignment of the text. That means suppose this is left aligned. See, it is highlighted. If you want to do mid aligned data, click it here. Or you can do select the particular cell and select. It's a right aligned. So you can choose according to your requirement and you can make it.